In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product filtering in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to optimize your online store, product filters are a fantastic way to improve your customers' shopping experience by helping them find what they're looking for more efficiently. To get started, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's admin dashboard. Once there, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Online Store, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you have access to all the elements that make up your store's virtual experience. From the drop-down, select Themes to view your current theme settings and options. The theme you choose can greatly impact how filters function. Shopify offers a wide range of themes, but not all come with filter support straight out of the box. If you're using a free Shopify theme like Debut or Brooklyn, you might want to consider switching to a paid theme or one that supports filtering features. However, if you choose to stick with your current theme, don't worry, you can still add filtering through apps, which we'll get into quickly. Now, scroll down and click on the Customize button of your current theme to open the theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, look for a section on the left-hand side that says Products or Collection Pages. This is where you can usually enable filtering options if your theme supports it naturally. If this option is available, simply enable the filters you want, such as price, color, size, or any other category that makes sense for your products. Be sure to save your changes by clicking Save on the top right corner of the editor. If your theme doesn't support filtering natively, worry not. You can head back to the Shopify admin dashboard and select Apps from the left-hand menu. Shopify's App Store is vast, filled with both free and premium options to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar, type in Product Filter to explore a variety of apps designed specifically for filtering functionality. Popular choices like Product Filter Search or Boost Product Filter Search offer robust filtering options, sometimes with additional features like search optimization. Once you've chosen an app, click Add App, and follow the prompts to install it into your Shopify store. After installation, the app will typically guide you through its own setup process, which usually involves selecting which filters you want to activate and personalizing them to fit your store's style. So there you have it. Adding product filters enhances the shopping experience, streamlines product discovery, and potentially increases sales. It only takes a few steps of theme customization or a simple app installation to make your Shopify store more efficient and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to get more valuable insights on improving your online store.